Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.